Ever wondered how to create a sloped floor or perfectly align your walls with a complex roof in Revit? In this video, we will dive into two essential Revit features. One is modify sub-elements for floors and attach top base for walls. Let's go. The first I will create a floor. The floor usually create below the level. So go to the floor and I will draw some curved floor. So here I will create one curve and here I will create one curve. After that, we'll use the offset option. You can take your offset distance. So I will give some 20 feet. So you can offset either side that based on yours and create a closed profile. It should be closed, not to open. Then click on accept. And before clicking this, you can select that what type of floor or you can customize this floor by make it duplicate and edit that required uh, thickness. So cancel it and accept it. So now we have the floor one. What I will do, go back to the elevation and check for this floor. Here we have. I will copy the same floor, make it copy and make sure you uncheck this constraint. I will pick this point and place on the above the level. If you observe this floor, the floor is below the level, height offset is 0. If I select this floor above the level, it is 1 feet. Whatever the thickness of the floor, it is at 12 inches. The same thickness it went above. Now I want to modify this floor by giving it slope. So by default, we have connected this with two curves, the both sides. So total we will get 6 points. So select it, go to the modify sub elements. Here we have the points in a green color. If I select this particular point, you can drag it how much you want, and when it turns into blue color, green to blue, you can select it and drag it. If you want to work perfectly with this, some dimension, I will cancel this, select it and click on reset shape. Now again I will select this floor, modify sub elements and select this. I will give the value, it is some 7 feet, and both sides I will give 7 feet. You can select multiple points by using this and you can give the value from here, it is some 12 feet. Then finally I will select these 2 points, I will give at a height of some 20 feet. So cancel it. Then we can use this sloped one. Go to the level one. I will take the wall. Type of the wall. Go with the exterior glazing or storefront, whatever you want to get select it. But make sure that now the next one is I want to attach the walls to the top floor. So that I will create a curtain wall storefront by using the pick lines and give the offset. I will give some offset so it will take inside. So I will create like this. So once you place lines, then go to the 3D. Now you can see the walls. Then cancel it. So I will select all these by tab, curtain wall, select them by tab, attach top base. I will select this to here and delete elements. Now it is deleted. Next thing is I want to place the door. Go to the insert, load Autodesk family, and you can select the door. You can use any of the region, either UK if you want to work with the metric system. US is for Imperial. My project is in US Imperial, so that I will go to the doors, select the door type, load it, then select the panel by hitting tab, unpin it, and then select the door what we have loaded. Now I will apply the shaded and now we can able to see this. If you want to further modify, so to make it a proper curvature, select it, go to the modify sub elements I will pick this point. You can drag manually or you can use arrows. I will select the both and I will press arrows, so arrow keys, and automatically, because this is attached to the floor, so when you move this floor, automatically the walls also will move. So this way we can create it. Thank you for watching.